Welcome back to Mail My Art. My name is Mikki, and today I'm going to open up a kind of a stationery item. It says stationery pen, and it costed $7. And it was really curious to me. It was something that I've had in my childhood. One of those pens that has different colors, and then you can click them. And sorry, that was so loud. But this is kind of like a higher quality, and the pen sizes are 0.5, so you can see that they write quite really thin. It's the first time I've tried this. There's the green, here's the blue, and then there's black. But there's one hidden secret about this that you may or may not know about. It is this one, which is this nib. And if you try it right away, you're like, what the heck is this? Well, if you push on the handle some more, you find out what happens. It's a pencil. So you also get a pencil as well as a pen. So I thought that was so cool. And up top here, I think there is an eraser, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, you get a little eraser to go with it. There's nowhere to put the cap, but I thought that was so cool. Don't you guys think this is awesome? So you have, not only you have 4 different colors of pens, but you have a pencil, an eraser, and this can create something pretty amazing. It's called the 4-in-1 Uni Jetstream pen. I'm not really sure what else to call it, but it is so cool, and I wanted to share it with you, and I wanted to create something with it using the pencil and then coloring with the pens. So let's get to it. So after playing for a little bit, I found one of the older ones, and I wanted to kind of compare the super cheap ones to the nice new one I have here. So there's the green, here's the red, and here's the blue and the black. And you can tell right away that this is harder to write on. I had to actually really push harder than this pen to get it working. So this ink is really nice. And the only other thing is, how am I going to refill the leads? So I'm going to kind of be brave here and kind of see what to do. I think this is where it separates. Oh yes. Okay. I feel like I did something wrong there for a second, but oh wow, so it's got 2 leads in it, and the one already filled in. Whew. I always feel anxiety with new stuff. Okay, phew. So that works. So I could refill this if I wanted to with my own lead, but apparently the lead that's comes with it is supposed to be really good. So I don't know, seems fine to me. It's sort of a HB. So yeah, phew, I wanted to try that and see how they would compare with the other pen. So now I'll go ahead and do a little something artsy with it.